Friends, before this video, I made a video about iPhone unavailable and I received some comments saying, "Geek, the method you showed is not working on our phones." So friends, I would like to tell you that you must have missed some part of the video or you must have watched the video by skipping it. That is why I tell you again and again to watch the video carefully and watch the entire video. But you still watch the video by skipping it. You watch it incompletely. You do not watch it fully and then later you comment to me. So friends, watch the video completely and watch it carefully. Now look, I am going to show you everything live, absolutely live. If you have any model of iPhone, any model at all, and on any of your iPhones is locked or your iPhone has become unavailable and you are unable to unlock it, then in today's video, the method I am going to show you will allow you to unlock any unavailable iPhone for free without a personal computer, laptop, or Apple ID. So how can you do it? Let me tell you. Keep watching the video carefully and do not skip any part of it. So what you need to do, friends, is click on emergency. And friends, if you like this video, then do like it. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then do subscribe to the channel because I keep bringing good videos related to mobile unlocking. So do subscribe to the channel. So after clicking on emergency, you need to dial star 7
2 5 9 0 4
star
3 6 2
3017 hash star. So you need to dial this code as well. Okay, I will show you this code clearly and tell you that you need to dial star hash 72 5904 double star 3623017 hash star, and after dialing this code you have to click on it. Now you have to dial the last code, so keep watching the video carefully. You need to dial star hash. Friends, watch the video carefully and do not skip the video at all. 07076 star hash. H star, so you have to dial this last code. Okay, I will show you this code clearly and tell you what to dial. You need to dial star H 07076106106 star H star, and after dialing this code you have to click on it. Now friends, you don't have to do anything else, just one last task remains. So watch the video carefully and do not skip any part of it. So what you need to do is, friends, press and hold the power key and volume down buttons together. The power key and volume down. So friends, watch the video carefully here and do not skip the video at all. So friends, you need to hold both these buttons together for 20 seconds. Done. So friends, keep watching the video carefully and do not skip any part of it. And if you like this video, then friends, make sure to like this video. So here you can see that our phone is resetting automatically. Okay, you can see it here. So friends, keep watching the video carefully. Friends, when the phone resets, it takes some time to turn on. So watch the video carefully and do not skip any part of it. I am speeding up the video here. So friends, the problem in our phone has been solved. You can see it here. So if you like this video, then like this video, share it as much as possible, subscribe to the channel, and also comment to let us know how you liked our video.